Need to delete your WhatsApp profile picture on your iPhone but don't know how? Well, look no further. In this short video, I'll show you how to delete WhatsApp profile pictures easily. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings from the bottom right. Next, tap on your name. Now, tap Edit under your current profile picture. Now tap Delete Photo from below. Again tap Delete Photo to confirm the deletion. So folks, this is the way to delete your WhatsApp profile picture on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.